muddy and slippery today, I put it in mud and sand mode because it's muddy today. So we'll see if that does better for us.
Okay.
Is this fast enough for you?
Mm-hmm.
You feel like we're going fast now?
Mm-hmm.
It's actually working better for sure. I think. Haha. Was that
What?
fun?
What's fun?
You still sad about cornhole?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
But at least we can play Ninja Fruit on my
We
tablet.
can. Getting better at that turn. It took me all this time. You okay?
Uh-huh.
But keep your legs tucked in. So they don't get hurt. Nose dive. Ah.
What's a nose dive?
Remember when we come down on your nose?
Uh-huh.
The front of the truck's called the nose. So come down, nose dive. See? You came down.
The seat's a little too hot though.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. I'll turn it down. You want it off now?
Yeah, it's a little too hot.
Okay, it'll cool down. I just wanted to get you warmed up because I knew you were cold. Mud! Mud sand mode's working a lot better actually. A lot better.
I can't wait to play the airplane game when I get home.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
I like that game, don't you?
Uh-huh. And I get to play it first before AJ does because I didn't play it and AJ did. So once AJ's timer's up, he can't play no long until I get home.
Okay. Woohoo! You like that?
Mm-hmm. That was fun.
Good.
Weren't we here a little earlier?
Yep, this is the first part of the track. We were here earlier. We were. Oh my goodness. You okay, Duke?
Yeah, that
Scared
was.
me a little bit.
Yeah, that scared me too.
So we hit what's called a muddy rut. So there's where the tires are dug in. So you hit it and it just pulls you in the rut and you can't really get out of it. It just kind of takes control of your vehicle. It's kind of scary.
That was a little scary.
We're good.
I don't want to crash.
We're not going to crash. Boom. How was that?
That was not good.
What?
Yeah.
What?
It hurt my shoulder.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry about that.
Ow.
What'd you hit your shoulder on?
On my helmet.
Oh. Yeah, I need to get you in that brace. Okay, here we go.
Whee! I love the straightaways.
Yeah, I like that straightaway a lot too. Bumpity, 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 bump. Lots of bumps, kiddo.
Yes.
Is that
You
fun?
were not kidding.
I was not kidding. I call this part of the track Atlantis because it's always underwater. Is that funny?
Atlantis?
Atlantis.
Atlantis?
Yeah.
What's Atlantis?
Atlantis is supposedly a city that exists underwater.
For real?
Probably not for real.
Well, it would be cool if it was real.
Yeah.
To me, that feels like the Tooth Fairy and the Bunny Rabbit for Easter, Santa Claus.
Right. How's that?
Mm-hmm.
If you want to go slower, you want to try going faster, you feel free to tell me, okay?
Okay.
You know, like on the jet skis?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see. This is the fun part.
Yep. Whee! Whee! That was fun.
I had a friend that went off the course there.
Off the course?
Yeah.
Wow.
Him
We're
and his
pretty
son
good
went off
at
the
that.
course.
We're pretty good at that then. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Is that scaring you?
Uh-huh.
All right. I spun out right here. Do you remember me telling you this? When I had my tires got chewed up, I
Uh-huh.
spun out right there. It's kind of scary, but I didn't crash.
A long time ago?
Yeah, a long time ago.
How old were you?
Probably 26, 27.
Wow. Hey.
Maybe a little bit older than that. Maybe I was 28. I don't remember how many years ago it was, actually.
Well, you're 29, so...
Yeah.
Was
So yeah, I was probably 27.
You're probably 17 because that would be the longest one. Holy Lord.
Like that?
Uh-huh. That was a nosedive.
A little bit, yeah.
Meow, 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 meow.
What are you going on about?
Meow, 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 meow.
Ready for some bumps after this big turn?
It's so funny.
Ah,
Yikes.
yeah, I forgot about that.
Oh, ah.
Okay.
That was bad.
Yeah,
Oof.
snuck up on me last time too.
Ah.
Big bump.
Meow.
That was a G out.
That is gonna be funny when Mom sees this video.
Yeah. Right. Ah, the track is rough.
Hate that part.
Yeah. I was like, TRR was that way a lot, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We had to go slow. It was kind of rough. You like
Well,
this
I
place a lot
like
better?
Texplex.
You like Texplex a lot better?
Uh-huh.
I do too.
Why did I say Texplex?
Here we go.
Oh, I thought you were. Oh, really? I let go as I thought it was a straightaway.
What'd you think of that?
Well, not impersonal.
Alright, this part we slid.
Okay. Slide.
Yep, still
Don't
dead.
die. Slide.
Slide to the left. Slide to the right. He's going fast. He's going 40 miles an hour.
Who?
The little bird in front of us. Get off the trail, birdie. There you go. There's a little bird in front of us, and he was flying faster than we were. We were going about 35. No, I guess.
And he was going about how much?
Oh, 40.
40.
Yeah. Pretty fast for a little bird, huh?
Yeah.
There's several of them.
Yeah, I didn't know there would be that many birds on the course.
Technically, they're home. We're just here to have fun.
And what the team did is ruin their home.
It's okay. They didn't ruin their home.
So that people can drive on their home.
Well, yeah. That's why you got to be responsible and stay on the trail so you don't mess up anybody else's homes.
Sorry, who?
To you.
Oh.
Yeah, that turn stinks. All these turns stink.
Stink like poop.
Hey, look at that bird.
Whoa.
Isn't he just gliding? Is that cool?
That is cool. That's a bird?
Yeah.
We're seeing one up close to him.
Hey, he's flying with us. He's
Who?
in front of us. There's one in front of us again.
Oh, come on.
I don't want to hit him.
You hit him?
No, I don't want to hit him. I didn't hit him. I'm not going to hit any birds. I'm not going to hit any little creatures. Nosedive.
The nosedivers are fun.
You like the nosedives? I'll hit them a little faster then so you can enjoy the full effect of them.
Nosedive.
I think I can put it across here.
Oh, do not
We
miss.
can.
Oh, that cheater. You didn't stay on the course though.
I kind of did.
You kind of cheated. And you should stay on the course because you could get hurt.
I know. That was a little shortcut path.
Oh, it's for you to actually do?
Yeah,
Oh, for people on the course.
that's right. See, I always want to go really fast here, but then I gotta slam my brakes on because, bam, big turn.
It's like a trick. Oh, what?
I was, didn't want to go out the course.
Whee! Oh boy.
Here we go.
Nosedive.
Yeah.
And nosedive. Whee!
Anyhow, you can't really see where you're going with those. It's not as fun as the driver. Okay.
That's deep.
Yeah, it is deep. I think we did that earlier, actually. You can see our marks from previous. See?
Oh yeah.
Everything okay?
Yeah. I'll just hope you don't hurt yourself or I hurt myself.
Yep. I don't know. We're not getting hurt today.
And nosedive. And nosedive.
Dive.
Oh, that's a lot of them. That's fun. Did someone fall in a pond over there?
Maybe. I know some people that have fallen in ponds at TRR.
Oh boy. And finish.
Finish. GoPro, stop recording.